In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Deriv account and link to Metatrader 5. Open your preferred web browser and search for Deriv. You'll want to click through to the official Deriv website so you're setting up your account in the right place. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Open an Account. This is the gateway to creating your profile and getting access to the platforms you'll need. When the setup begins, you'll be asked to select your region. Take a moment here to choose your actual location. Your region can affect things like available features, account currencies, and regulatory terms, so make sure it reflects where you really are. After selecting it, click Next to continue. You'll now see a few sign-up options. You can register quickly using a Google, Facebook, or Apple login, or you can enter your email address to create a standalone account. If you prefer not to link a social profile, the email option works great. Just enter a valid email and follow the prompts. Depending on your choice, you may be asked to confirm your details through a verification link or an on-screen confirmation step. Keep your information accurate and secure. You don't need to share anything beyond what the form requires. After you complete the sign-up flow, you'll land in your Deriv account area. This is where you manage your trading accounts. If you're brand new, Deriv may guide you through a short onboarding. Stay in the account area for a moment to note the key details you'll need later for Metatrader 5, your trading account login, the password you set, and the server name associated with your account. These are provided in your trading account settings. Never share these credentials with anyone. If you plan to practice first, make sure you create or switch to a demo account. If you're ready to trade live, use your real account credentials. The linking process is the same, but the server will usually be different for demo versus real. With your Deriv account created, go to your Metatrader 5 application. Launch the desktop app so we can connect your Deriv account to it. In Metatrader 5, press Ctrl plus M on your keyboard. This opens the Navigator panel, which is where your accounts are organized. If the Navigator is already visible, that's perfect. If not, the shortcut will bring it up. You can also open it from the View menu if you prefer menus over shortcuts. In the Navigator, find the Accounts section. Right-click on Accounts to open the context menu. From there, choose Open an Account. You'll see a window that helps you find or add a broker connection. Click Next to proceed through the prompt. On the next screen, choose Connect with an existing trade account. This option tells Metatrader 5 that you already have a trading account with Deriv and you simply want to log into it from this platform. Now, enter the three key details. In Login, type the trading account ID exactly as it appears in your Deriv account. In Password, enter your trading password. For server, select or type the Deriv server name that matches your account. For example, demo and real accounts typically use different servers, so make sure you pick the one that matches the account you're trying to connect. If you're unsure, go back to your Deriv account area and double-check the server label. Accuracy here is important. Even a small mismatch can prevent the connection. Click Finish or OK, and Metatrader 5 will attempt to log in. You'll know you're connected when you see the status updating at the bottom, price quotes start moving in the market watch, and your account appears in the Navigator under Accounts. If you see an authorization error or no connection, recheck the login, password, and server. It's often just a typo or a server mismatch. Keep your credentials secure and avoid saving them on shared devices. That's it. You've created your Deriv account and linked it to Metatrader 5, ready for charting, analysis, and trading within the rules of your region. If you want to practice, connect the demo account. When you're confident, switch to the real account using the same steps.